Oh my god, are you kidding me? Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is LayaKat, or Leia, or Cat, and today I thought we could try learn how to program again. I had tried this before, so let me show you what I had before. Because I think there's a lot we can improve. I think there's a lot we can improve. So this is my old game that I did the very first time we tried to do one of these streams. Wait. So you like collect the dots. Hi Leia, hello. I'm showing the first game I've done. This is the first game I did the first time I tried to learn this on stream. But I think there's a lot we can improve. It has the health, it has the little dash bar. But I think there's a lot we can improve. Also, I did the voiceover work. That's me. Hello, Al. Hello, Sarah. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, there's a lot we can improve. Oh, I forgot to change. I always forget something. I forgot to change my thing on Twitch. My topic. I don't think there's I think I'll just do just chatting. No, just chatting. Oh, shoot. Dang it. Okay. Well, I fixed that issue. Let me slide back over. Doyle on your tail. It's really stuck on there. It's really stuck on this. It's really stuck on the tail. I just noticed your model has a tattoo. Yeah, I've said this before. This is like my dream tattoo, just a big flower on my thigh. Also, I heated up pizza. It's much more successful today. So there's a lot we can improve. Doyle holding on to her life. She is. So I have to be in a little bit of a weird spot today, as you can see. So I made a snoodle, and can I make it full screen? Yeah. So I made a snoodle, and I made a Leia. Also, this isn't technically not Scratch, because it how do I say this? It's not Scratch. It's like a way to make it faster. But that's why it looks slightly different than it did last time. So we have our Leia Doro, and we have sorry, I'm eating. We have our Snoodle. Did you see Best Girl Troni's getting a maid skin? She is? I thought it was just Inker masked. But what if we combine them together? Okay, it's funny that you said that because I thought this game I could try to collect Snoodles. I thought that's what it could be, so it's funny that we're on the same page. So I'm going to try to get it to set up so that it will also, it can lick. It can lick. I haven't programmed it to lick, but it can lick when we get close to Snoodle. When we grab one, I can have it so that it licks up. It can do everything. It's amazing. We most of the time share the same brain cell. Yeah, so I'm a little concerned with how this is gonna go. Because I'm not sure if I get the brain cell today or not. Also, I set it, not programmed, I'm not even gonna try to sound that smart. I set it so that I set it so that it's cat and it will flick its ears. See? Oh wait, you can't see my mouse. Hold up. There you are. Look at the little mouse flicking its ears. So cute. So precious. Oh, I love it. I love it. Well, they haven't announced it yet, but they found a Trony maid skin in the files. Ooh, data mining. I like that. That's exciting. I wonder if she'll have shoes. Okay. So first we have to do movement. It's been a while since I've done this. So we wanted to always check if we're trying to move. We wanted to always check if we're trying to move. She's gonna have some see-through stockings. Ooh, hold up. Can we still see the grippers though? Can we still see the grippers? The grippers is who she is. If we can't see the grippers, then we can't see the important stuff. Oh. I'm trying to find where it says the key. Sensing. If key pressed. I like to do it as WASD every time. I don't know why. Then we will change X for this one, change X for this one, and change Y for these ones. And for this one, we want negative. And then for the D, I mean not D, the S. Wait. Yeah, the A, sorry, the A. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're so professional. We're so professional, look at this. We're already moving. God, I'm so good at game development. I should become a pro game developer. Guys, I'm retiring the VTuber persona. I'm gonna be a game developer now. It's who I am. It's in my bones. It's in my toes. Okay. We can make it so that it looks the opposite direction. I think. Yes. Point in direction. So I'll only do it for the A and the D. Oops. Give me a second. Hold up. Hold up. There it is. Wait. There it is. Is it in your armpits too? No. No. Hailey has a coding tutorial game. It's going good. It's going good. Hi, Leia in chat. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. You guys both came at the same time. Leia is literally John Code. John Code, owner of the coding dimsdome dumadome, whatever. Okay, we're professional now. Okay. I want to have it so that if... I'm thinking. I want to have it so that it will change. It will only when it's moving lick the air. If I need 4 of them. If or A lot of ores here. It's going great, guys. It's going great. I promise. It's intentional. uh, looks. Look, now it licks the air very quickly. It licks the air very quickly. I might have to slow that down a little bit. It's powered by licking the air. Oh my god. If stinky, then take shower. I'm not stinky. Print the skin Discord. Hopefully it's $20 skin, not 60. Hopefully, because I do not want a skin for Trony, really. I'm not really that into Trony. I haven't met Trony in game. I will say that's always a factor for me. If I don't meet them in game, then I'm definitely not gonna care for them as much. Okay, I slowed down the looking. I think it should go slightly faster. That's better. Look at that now. I don't like her. I haven't met her in game. So personality wise, I have not been able to form an opinion on that. But I don't care for the feet, if that makes sense. I'm not drawn into just the feet. Hi Leia, what coding language is this? This is Scratch. This is for like kids learning coding. This is like for kids that don't know how to code. I'm a child that don't know how to code, so. Okay. Let's have this spawn random clones. Well, we feet lovers got to get something. I mean, you guys got Trony. You got Trony. It's Scratch made specifically for silly cat girls. It does have the silly cat girl mode on. See, the ears flick. I just love the cat. Look at it. It blinks. It has the ear flickies. It's just like me. For real, for real. Hi, Miss Streamer might look this time because it's 2 a.m. here and I sleep. Sleep is important. Sleep is very important. Please make sure you get sleep. Can I ban feet lovers from chat? No, you're armpit lover. We don't discriminate what body part you love as long as you love the Nikkei ladies. Where's the clone? I should be able to clone it right here. When clone. Scroll down, please. God, my mouse is killing me. Oh, I didn't think this through. Oh, I didn't think this through. I gotta set the clone. When I started the clone, go to a random position. Okay. This might work. This might work. Hold up. They're multiplying. The snoodles are multiplying. Ah, yes. The great snoodle multiplication. Meanwhile, I learned Java. Java is what I believe Project Zomboid is made on. I believe Project Zomboid. Oh wow, chat, you're so silly. I'm a belly lover. I'm respected. So, wait. I'm thinking, should we make a dodge game maybe where you have to dodge the snoodles? I was just thinking we could have a lot of snoodles. Go to I think we can do a random number block if I'm thinking right. Yes. Pick a number from. It has to be on the 160 on. No, I messed up. Switch. So it can be a random number between 160 and negative 155. 166 and negative 151. Okay. And then I want them to move across the page. Move 100 steps. No. I'd put 1,000. Oh, wait. Sorry. From here to here. Oh, from here to here. That is far more than 100. So maybe 500. Maybe I wasn't overblowing when I said 1,000. They're not moving 500 steps. They're not moving. Hold up. Glide. Change Y by negative 500. Oh wait, that's why. I see why. Maybe a sneak like game, but instead apples put feet. No, I don't think I'll do that. I don't think I'll do that. Okay, what did I do wrong? Hold up. Oh wait, change Y. That should be X. Oh, let's set X too. Change X by negative 500. Okay. Oh. 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 Okay. They're not doing what I want exactly. I want them to glide too. Glide to yes. Okay, wait. Then I should be able to delete the clone? Okay, let's see. Will this work? Ooh, it's happening. Have you seen the maid outfits in Nikkei? Fairly certain the next update is this yearly Valentine's Day event. It is. I'm very excited for it. Can someone help me make Anderson Burst 3 in the Discord? I can't figure that one out yet. I tried to make a TFT set, but I can't begin to think what I would do for a Nikkei set. Hi. Oh, she fell. God. You're so clumsy, kitty cat. She meowed like, what'd I do? Okay, that's pretty good. Do we want more? What if we did an insane amount of them? The Snoodle Stampede! Maybe we should do more. What if I did more? What if I did 0 for the wait time? Oh god. Oh god. This this noodle stampede is in full effect right now. They're trying. They're trying. It does kind of look like a wave. It kind of looks like an ocean, actually. Maybe 0.2 is what we should do. No, that's way too many. You could not dodge those. Maybe I should add a little shadow underneath them. You want me to scold you? Bad. Don't redeem the scold. Bad. Psh, psh, psh. Bad fool. Psh, psh, psh. Bad. Don't redeem the scold. Psh, psh, psh. Ah, programming, the most annoying class I had to take. I'm enjoying it, but also I'm not taking it for a grade. That definitely makes a difference. I need to get this one to go to front though. Go to front layer. Ah, yes. I didn't really think through. I have my little migration. How do I get it to check whether or not I'm in front or behind? Because I want it to only really mark the bottom. Maybe I should add a ground. Maybe if I make it look like there's a ground. Perfect. I'm not gonna leave it that color though. Don't you guys' grass look purple? What do you mean it's not normal? Psh, you guys don't know good grass when you see it. There we are. I need also to add shadow underneath my snoodle. How do I get this to go to the back though? Oh wait. Maybe if I do vector. Oh, back. Ooh. Okay. I don't even want to remember my programming class. I can't even post things on Discord in the right channel. I did not do good for it. I did not do good in my programming class. Normal for colorblind people. You know, it's funny, I was actually playing a game the other day. It was so color dependent. I was like, no, wait, it was when I was building that greenhouse. The instructions were like, grab this color piece. I was like, this is terrible for colorblind people. It's so reliant on just matching the colors. There's no lettering or anything. Because sometimes when you build stuff to put the little letter stickers on it, they did not do that for it. I need to add a shadow to my my thingy thing. Oh, zoom in, please. Oh my god. I'm struggling and it's gonna bother me if this isn't the same. Okay, good enough. Okay. Let me make it a little bit smaller. I know I just spent all that time trying to get it right. There we are. One time I was playing a co-op game where I relied on color. I kept getting mad because they would tell me it was gold equipment. When I would pick it up, it's always green. Figured out he was colorblind. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Hey, hey, Leia. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. You forgot the tail. This one doesn't. Doors don't get tails. Doors don't get tails. Otherwise, it'd be very hard to dodge. Yeah, it's like an American manufactured cars are all written in English with well everything else they have is in special symbols for everything so everyone understands them. Yeah. Do you even say hey hey this time? Oh my god. You're right. You're right. My brain autofilled. I'm so used to you saying hey hey. See, that's what happens when you stick to routine. I get used to the routine. So I want to make it so if I'm thinking because I want to make it so that it goes in front of some. So that's not always just in front type thing. So what I think I need to do is I think I need to have it so that there's a separate, I think I need to duplicate this. Okay. And then delete this. And, oh, I left my shadow behind. In the shadow of the day. Oops. Give me. Oopsies. Because I think what I need to do is have it separate. Why not make it lick constantly? Because the licking powers the movement. See? The licking empowers it to move. First, that was not the first redeem, actually. That's the second redeem. But that's okay. So I think what we need to do is have it so that the shadow's separate. And then make it so that they react to the shadow and not the actual. I want speedy lick, not slow lick. Okay, okay, okay. God, everybody's a critic. It's okay. Is that what you want? Is this what you want? Are you happy now? Yes. Very. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's... I like it. Hello, cat. You're very cute. Wow, that's a good lick. Thanks. It's been perfected. How do I... Now what I need to do is duplicate this. Has all the same code. Oh wait. Oh my god, this too. I love this. Okay. Sorry. Back to... I wanted to start right here. So, motion. Go to this one. Like, I want it to be here, not there. Negative 233. Okay. Okay. And now we duplicate it. And now we get rid of this part. Perfect. Hi, hello, 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 hello. Me when I see feet, calm down. Fastest lick in the West. I mean, yeah. Okay, now we can get rid of this. Oh my god, it's so cute. I gotta do the same thing with the snoodles though. Because the little shadow underneath is actually going to be... It doesn't seem you got my joke. The fastest lick in the West? I thought it was like the fastest gun in the West. Maybe I didn't get it. Maybe... Or is it because I can do the thing with my tongue, the snake thing, the... Wait, something went very wrong, guys. Look at this. I'm finding an issue here with how I did it. You see that? The shadow. Okay. So there's a slight issue with how I did it. I can fix this though. I already know how I'm gonna fix it. I'm just gonna do that and then do this and set the opacity. Can I set the opacity? Hello? Actually, it doesn't matter. Why is it vibrating? Why is it vibrating? Oh, I accidentally moved it slightly, I think. Oh, wait. Is it because of... Guys, I messed up. What did I mess up? Why is it vibrating now? What'd I do? Looking so fast, the entire body's vibrating, apparently. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I modified the door a bit. I think what happened was... I think I did modify it a bit. I think I accidentally made one of them bigger or smaller. That made it worse. Might as well lean into it now. God, why did I do this? What is this unholy creature I have created? I think the sprite's a bit offset. I think you're right. I think you're right. I can't undo it, son of a bitch. There's no control Z. I bet. There we are. Sorry. Wait, I could just re-upload it. Hold up. I could just re-upload the Doro. Did I size down the Doro? I must have. I must have sized down. Oh, that's not right. There we are. Perfect. Okay, I fixed it, guys. I'm professional. It's okay, we're back on track. It's twitching's very scary. It's okay, it's over now. It's all over now. Okay, now we have to determine whether or not they're in front or behind. What's that face for? What's that face for? What's this supposed to end up as? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I didn't really think that far. But I'm glad that you asked. I was just kind of messing around, honestly. I was just my so I said this before, but I'll say it again. So this is my first attempt at making a scratch game. So this is the bar we're at. Your sprints. So this is the bar we're at. So honestly, our goal is to do any. I did the voice acting. So our goal is to do literally anything better than that. That is our goal. So anything better than that is the goal. What? That was you? And don't do the voice acting again, like that was me. I slowed it down a bunch. It was me. I slowed it down a bunch. Did you? What do you mean? What do you mean? What's the issue with it? What's the problem? You guys have a problem with my voice acting? Hold up. Is it the slow reverb? I'm scared. Oh my god, you're dramatic is what you are. Okay, so we need to basically make it so if our little thing touches the snoodles, we lose a point. It's a dodging thing, but also it needs to be only if this shadow is... Okay, here's the thing. This shadow needs to be in front of them if this touches them, or on the same level. If the shadow's behind them, then it doesn't count. But like, what about that? Do I have too many snoodles? Is it even possible? It's fine. They're fine. I have a good amount of snoodles. Oh, they didn't fix my issue. Wait. Oh, wait. I forgot. I was stupid. I haven't fixed my issue yet with this. I got distracted by the... by messing up the one thing. Wait. Is my key broken? Why is it... Okay. Duplicate that. I can get rid of this one. Pack. Okay. There we are. Okay. Did you do your Nikkei dailies, Leia? I actually was going to do them last night, and then I realized that they was down for maintenance, so I was gonna do them after stream. But yeah, I did remember. I did remember, actually. I was pretty proud of myself, not to brag. This should have fixed the... Yeah, that fixed that issue. Oh, no, it didn't. You see, it's not right. It's not right. Something's wrong with it. I guess... Wait. I should just do this. Okay, hopefully that fixed it. Okay, that did it. Okay, perfect. I think the shadow should be slightly down, though. There we are. Okay. Oh my gosh. Making games is harder than I thought. Hold up. I'm doing the easy coding style. So in order to... Okay, this is where I have to decide what I want to do. I got all these snoodles just going in different directions. Do I maybe want to have it so that if they... Do we want to do like a corralling thing? What you doing with the Bailey Nose Purple box? Oh, so I noticed when I went to the edge of it, when I went to the edge, the shadow would move. So what I did was that I made a purple box the same size as the actual sprite so that it would stay in place. See? So what I'm thinking is maybe I add a little corral and see if we can't corral our... Wait. How long have I been on the wrong side? Why not make it entirely invisible? Because when I made it entirely invisible, it was just like, oh, you don't want this, I'm gonna delete it. I was like, well, I needed that for my purpose that I was trying to do. So, like, could you not delete it? And it's like, nah, I'm gonna delete it. So now it's just there. Doro is a Doro. I'm trying to... I think I'm gonna have it so that they run away and we're trying to put them into a little corral here. Just set opacity manually. That's what I did. I set the opacity to 0.8. Well, I guess I could do 0.1. Oh, it's gone. Oh, wait, is it gone? No, it's not. Is it? Point 5. Okay. Oops. Okay. So, let me really quickly draw a square. Nailed it. No fill. Wait. No fill. I do want outline. $90. Wait, I didn't do it. $50. That's incredible. 21. Oh wait, I should leave in the middle because I can drag it around. There we are. Oh, oopsies. Oh no, I'm bad at this. I want to get rid of this. Because I want it to be open. Like this. Okay, so now we have to corral them into the pen. So maybe I should set it so that the number of them that spawns. Boo, I'm here now too. Hello, 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 hello. Jump scared. So I need to set them so that I want them when they go into the pen to chill. So let me set another one. Let me duplicate this one and put it in the exact same position. Oh. Okay. And this one, I want to delete this. What? Why is that all connected? What? Okay, well, this can go here. Because I need to have this. And I'm going to set the color to be that. Wait. Oh, Snoodle ran by. I was going to say, what happened? Alright. Oh. You don't need a line. You got... Your color got Snoodle? It did. Okay, now it's turning into a Mega Man level. It's progress. It's progress. Progress is happening if you look very closely. Look, go to back. Okay, see, then I want them, once they touch the green grass, to get stuck. So, event, if sensing, touching, wait, not color, I want the, if touching, I need to name some of these sprites. What is it? Sprite 2. If touching Sprite 2, if touching Sprite 2, then I want the movement to be blocked in here. Then you hear my cat jump in the window. Then forever move glide between. I want like between this seconds to any number between. Wait, ignore that. Oh, I did not mean to do that. There's no undo button, unfortunately. That's why I need to actually, real quick, remember to set it to stay in this zone. Okay, there's my snoodle. My snoodle's hiding. Can I? Yeah, show it. Okay. Oh God, I did it again. Why do you have the green box? So the green box is going to be the sensor. So once they pass this area and touch the green box, then they're going to start behaving differently and kind of stay in the area and just kind of go between all the different points in the area. So for this one, it can be between, sorry, I'm moving that. This can be between negative 271. So you just have to wait for the noodles to file themselves in the pasture. No, so I'm going to have it so that they run away from, if they're within a certain distance, they're going to run away from my character. So this is kind of getting redone. So if they are cold sensing, distance. Wait. Okay, yeah. If they are, it's funny because it's called the lick one. If they are so close to the, whatchamacallit, if they are less than 50, if the distance to Leia is less than 50, then I'm gonna have them run away. Motion. Point towards, is there one for opposite? If edge bounce. Look at all of them go. It looks like I'm pooping them out. Oh no. Oh no, wait. Move, move. Okay, we have a lot. So, if they're touching it, then they glide between. Okay, so they glide between. I want them to glide between 271. Well, I guess it could be 289. 289. Leodora ate too much. Its tummy's upset. Its tummy's upset. And negative 150. Do that every time. And then for the Y, it's going to be between 41 to Oh, 48 to 157. 147. 48 to negative 147. Okay, so that should, let me see. Okay, so they should stay within the pin like I want them to. There are quite a bit though. It's quite a bit. They'll just keep spawning until I tell them to stop. Until I stop. We can have a lot of snoodles, but I don't want to crash it. Okay. If Leodor's less than 50 feet, then the motion should move away. So let me see this real quick. So some of them will just fall into there. Look how great they are. So well behaved. I want to make it so that they can't go through this though. So I need to make it so if they touch that, they bounce. This is my exact point, Leia. Well, it's progress though. I can't fix the other stuff without setting up the stuff before though. I had to set the stuff up before though, before I could add the bouncing to the gate and stuff. Like them bouncing off of the walls. If if it touches, if some of these I don't want it to. Hi, hello. Do it properly though. I don't know if I'm doing it properly. I'm gonna be real with you. I don't know if I'm doing it properly. Kind of winging it. If touching sprite 1, then mm, I want it to be forever though, so that's always checking for this. Even when it's a clone. It's very improper of you. You're using Scratch after all. I am. But it's, Scratch is fun. Scratch is for new people. That's what it's for. I'm using it for its intended purpose. Uh, if it's touching it, I want it to turn in. Is it useful so far for Leia? Uh, so I will say some of the stuff I think that if I could take this knowledge and put it into like Game Maker Studio because some of the stuff like a step event in Game Maker Studio is the same as a forever event in this. So that's why I think it's like what I'm mainly gonna use it for because us I us playing the Mad Father game did kind of make me a little bit interested in learning how to just because it sounds fun, doesn't it? The Mad Father game did really open my eyes, one might say. Uh, if touching sprite 1, turn 180. 180. 180 degrees. Oops, sorry guys, my tail. I put 190 anyways. You gonna use RPG Maker? No, I kind of want to use Game Maker. I'm gonna be honest. I kind of want to use Game Maker just because I think RPG Maker is cool, but good night. Have a good night. Uh, I think RPG Maker is cool, but I kind of want to not be as limited, and also I think yeah, I think it's good. Learned a bit about Python. Should be good if you can practice with the smaller project. Yeah, and that's what I was thinking. Turn to 80 degrees and then glide. And then, wait, sorry. Point towards. Glide to random position for 1 second. What? Okay. I'm gonna do 3 seconds. We'll just do. So, I think I should just do move like 30 steps. Oh, wait, I forgot. 30 is a lot less than I think. What? Glide. Change x by negative 30. It has to be it has to be inside the touching sprite loop, not outside of it. No, I don't think it does because does it? Wait. Because when it starts as a clone, I thought it just would because when I had it before, it did it. I know I have that. Because I had it set to just glide. Oh, wait, change. I see what I did. I did change. How do I get them to face the right way now? Point in direction. This way, please. Because it only has to be in the loop if I want it to forever do it, which I don't want it to forever do it. This is live. It seems fun. It is on the website. I'm struggling. You've heard it inside the if statement? Oh, I see. Just put it inside the if statement. Which if statement, though? They don't want it to do this one yet. Point in direction 90 degrees. I want to show first before I do. Does that? Go to move negative 30 steps. How would I do that? Move 150 steps. Something big. Okay, so that is working. Okay. If touching sprite 1, then statement. Oh, I see what you're saying. If touching... I see what you're saying. I messed up on that one. I see the issue. I wanted to not move, though. I wanted to... Oh, wait, I see what I did wrong. I wanted to do, forever loop for the 150, but do in tens. Oh, God. I need to flip the art. What's your goal here? I'm getting confused. I think you are getting confused. I'm just right now, I'm trying to get them to. I'm trying to change how the movement works so that I can interrupt it. Because the way I set up the movement before was they were being told to go straight from one side to the other. So now I'm trying to make it easier to interrupt that process by making it so that, see, it'll move 10, not with the forever. I want it to like move 10 at a time unless it's touching one. Then I want it to change how it moves, if that makes sense. Yes, but also no. So it's going to be if it's touching. So if it's touching the sprite 2 on the inside, it's going to do this one. But if it's touching, if the distance to my character is less, then it's going to do this one. Otherwise, it's just going to do just the 10 movement, which it should be doing unless it... Oh, wait. I see what you're saying about the forever block. I did leave out forever block. It should forever be doing this. See how they act different once they get into it? But I'm going to have it so that they move 10 steps and then switch to, like, turn to a random, like, so they're going to do 10 steps and then it should be... Anyway, okay. Oh, I think I should increase it from 10, guys. I think I should increase it from 10. I think 10 is too little of a number for before they start changing directions. Maybe like 100 steps. Oh my god! Look at them! Okay. Too speedy? Just a little too speedy. Just a little too speedy. I gotta add a weight variable is what it is. There we go. That should fix it. Why did it should still be 100 steps. Wait. No, that did not fix it. Hold up. Okay, that fixed it. use glide in my opinion. Well, the issue with glide is, so if I do glide, I have to put the position, but if I use the 10 step, then the position is determined by whichever direction they're facing. So if I do this one, then it makes it so I can bounce it, versus the other one that it's going to a fixed position. But if I do the 10 steps, it doesn't have a fixed position, it's just going straight, and I can interrupt it if I need be. I just see, now this is where I start doing this stuff about the bouncing and stuff. So now if the distance to me is less than 50, also have it rotate every 45 instead of between 45 and 45. You think negative 45 and 45 would be better? Yeah, that looks better. I think if I do the 5 steps, that might look more natural too. See, now they can also turn which direction too. They all really want to go straight though. Yeah, before it could only rotate upward. Oh, you're right. I didn't even think about that. You're right. You're so right. Block style is very neat. Thank you. I did the pixel art for the dragon last night because I was like, ooh, Snoodle. I can include Snoodles in this. So, also have the weight shorter? You think so? That's probably what else felt weird about it. Yeah, you're right. The weight wasn't. It needs a little bit of a weight, I think, but that wait was too long. Okay, so now if the distance is less than 50 to Leia, I want them to turn away from me. So I want them to, first, I'll have to have them point towards me. And then I'll have them turn 180 degrees. And then it should, let me see, it should, the way I set up the other stuff, it should, yeah, you see, I need to make it so that I can interrupt this more though. Cause see, they're just turning away from me now. Then move 100. You think moving 100? Look at all my snoodles. Moving. I think you meant 10 100 times. I think you meant 10 100 times. Wait, 100 times is ridiculous. Wait, I think I'm misunderstanding. I think I should have them repeat it random amount though. Pick a random number between 1 and 10. I think it should be at least 10 and 20. Move 100 in the distance to the lane command. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'll have to do the same way here, though, because if I do just the move 10, then they'll teleport. But if... Oh, my phone's ringing. Give me a second. My doctor called. Sorry. I'm going on a trip, and I'm like, I need to make sure everything's set before I go on my trip. So awkward story. They're all stuck. I was watching that when I was on the phone. So I think what I need to do. They're stuck because I took out the code. They're stuck because I took out the code. But I thought it was funny when I was on the phone. You took out all the movement? I know, I just thought it was funny how they were all stuck. Just in the corner. Okay, so now they should... Wrong place layer? What? See, now they move away from me. Like, dodging me. I think I should make the distance. Because 50 is a very short distance. I think maybe... 100 or 75. 75 might be better. So now, see, I can kind of corral them. Kinda. If I go... See, they kinda go where I want them to. They're a little bit choppy with their movements. I think maybe... I'm just looking. That does look more natural, doesn't it? If I go towards them... So, I think the problem is checks the distance that you're having moved a distance of a minimum of 100. Yeah, so I think if I do like this so that they move like faster away from me. Let me try this. Won't work. Yeah, because they're still trying to finish their movement from the other one. Oh, maybe it's working. Wait. It's half working. It's working with some of them. Not working fully as intended. They're still parting like the ocean. I need to have it so that this is only happening if the distance to Leia is happening. Like, if the distance to Leia is greater than. Is greater than 74. So it should automatically end it now. Like, immediately. It should. Oh, wait, actually, wait. They are going to finish their movement first. They are. Uh, oh, did not mean to do that. So instead you have shorter movements, shorter weight more often. Oh. I'm not good at this, am I? Wait, why did I... Get out of that. Oh, wait, yeah. If the distance to Leia is shorter, else No, you're not. I'm struggling. Look at all them idiots. Look at all those idiots. The if statement before the standard movement is entirely unnecessary. Which one? I have a lot. Eh. I'm deleting. Wait, I'm starting over on this part. Uh, Sorry, I'm thinking, I'm processing. Okay, point and direction. And then if where's the delete the go command? It's unnecessary? Which go command? This one? That's how I spawn them in. What do you mean? That's how I spawn in. They can't exist if I don't do that. They would all spawn in at the same point. That's how it tells them where to go for the clones. If I get rid of the go command, then they'll just all spawn on top of each other. You can't see it. See. You can keep it then? Thank you. Thank you for letting me keep it. If I took it as a movement command, understandable. If distance to is less than 50, then face point towards it, then turn 180 degrees. Oh, that's 90. 180 degrees. And move 100. Well, let me do the move 100, but I think I'll need to do the move whatchamacallit so many times, because if I just do move 100, they teleport. See. Hi, LayaKat. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. So I think what I'll have to do is have it repeat it, but make it in a way that repeat until... Ooh, wait. That might work. Yeah, if you have more than one weight, 1.100 time or something, that's what I was thinking, because, like, I'm just thinking, like... Sorry, I'm thinking. I think the move 10 could work. I'm wondering if... Yeah, they'll... Look at the little guys. They're, like, pushing them. Have to move one. Which one do I have to move? This is kind of fun, actually. Is this weird? This is kind of fun. It's a loop statement, right? It is. It's forever checking. Have to move one instead of 100. Instead of 10. I think the 10 looks fine. I think the 10 looks fine, but maybe you're right. Let's try the 1. Oh, you're right. That looks very natural. Go. Look at the way they part for me. Okay, maybe it's a bit slow. You see what I was saying? The distant thing is a lot, like, it's a lot. I think maybe you're right, though. I think 3 or so instead. That's what I was going to say. I think you were right about the 10 being too much. Yeah, that's better. Look how natural that looks. I think also I think I need to do the distance larger because this is already 50. This is 100. So I'm thinking maybe 100 instead of 50 cuz like I said, the distance is a lot more than you'd think. Yeah, that's better. Look at them go. Wait, you can see the commands? Isn't it too small? Ah, so I zoomed out and zoomed in just because, like, I know what the boxes are because I've done this before. Oh my god, look how many spawning. Look at all these. Nightland chat. Good night, Al. Have a good rest. I'm sorry my sister wasn't here in the stream. She was only in the stream that you missed. Such is the cruel, cruel fact of life. I think I'm also going to limit it. Repeat. We'll start out with 10 for this one instead of the forever one. So it'll only start with 10 clones. Maybe limit spawning, Leia. That's us. We are literally sharing a brain cell right now. You think 50? They're gonna move around normally. They're gonna move around normally too, but... Okay. So, if the distance... Okay. If the distance is less than 100. If the distance is greater than 100, though... The distance is greater than 100. Now we need to get them to do other stuff. Sensing distance to... One day I'll name these. If the distance to Leia is normal, then I want them to turn a randomized between negative 45 and 45. And then I want them to move 3 steps. move 3 steps. And they should just repeat that, I think. Yeah, they'll just repeat that. I want them to move more than 3 steps, so I want them to repeat that part a random number of times. Or actually, that's an unnecessary if statement. Well, it's just checking if their movement. Oh no, I meant chat. I was saying to read the boxes say. Oh, so what the chat box for Twitch is mainly because since the YouTube chat will be saved in the YouTube VOD, I like to have the Twitch chat on stream just so that if somebody has it full screen and they were like, what? Like watching in the past. That's unnecessary if statement. Well, I wanted the movement to stop instantly. I'm thinking though. Should I do else statement then? Else. Already does if the movement increments are small enough. Well, the issue is I'm gonna have to add it. No need for else statement. Well, the issue is I'm gonna have to add it to the I'm gonna have to add the repeat because if I don't add the repeat, then it's just gonna constantly be changing directions. So that's what I was gonna have it like this so that not repeat until so that it will instantly stop the small movement. They move so much slower when they do. Look at them. The 3 steps to get so nervous. It will, but no. What are you doing, LayaKat? I'm trying to do coding. I'm trying to learn coding, but I'm struggling. We finally debut on stream. Yeah, you guys are on stream right now. It only stops the movement, not anything else. Well, that's what I want it to do, is stop the movement, because I want them to stop in their tracks and turn around and do the other movement, because see, it instantly stops them and they start doing the 3-1. But I need to get the 3-1 to... See, that works. See, so they're instantly stopping their movement and turning around like I want them to. No repeat loops right now, Leia? What do you mean? It stops the thing. It stops what it does what I want it to do. What's the issue? It's a bad way of doing it. Ow. But otherwise they're not gonna... If I do it the other way, though, they'll just finish repeating it, though. Because if I... Look. Oh, shoot. Look, if I do this... See, maybe it does stop it. Wait, hold up. It might stop it. It'll just stay still for the whole 10. Maybe it is turning. Okay, they are doing what I want. Maybe it wasn't necessary. Psh. This kind of looks cool, not gonna lie. I will mess up if I was doing coding. This is visual coding. This is not real coding. Use an else. Use an if else. When I added the else statement, you said not to. I did have an else statement for the other movement, and as soon as I added it, you said it was unnecessary. So I immediately deleted it. Because that's what I was gonna do. So that's why I added the second if statement. Because I was like, oh, well, if the else statement's bad, then. There we are. Okay. So now, if LayaKat is that far away, then do that. Also, delete the repeat loops now. What repeat loops? You mean this one? The repeat 10 times? Oh, okay. I can get rid of that one, but I will say you are going to be disappointed by the movement. See? Lessen the angles. Oh. Ah, I see. I see. Maybe -2 and 2. -2 and 2. Ah, I see. I see. You're teaching me a lot. Sorry if I seem very defensive about this. I just am sometimes it's hard for me to understand. Sometimes I have to remember that eventually, like, doing the stuff the bad way will bite me in the butt. Because sometimes I'm like, it's working, what's the issue? I'm like not understanding. Thank you for the hydrate. I'm a programmer as well, not my forte, so have fun and good luck. I know a little bit of Python. I know a little bit of Python, but I don't know like the fundamentals. It turns degress / move amount that matters. Yeah, see, I know like some of the coding stuff, but I don't know how to actually do the like you were saying, like you keep correcting me on where I'm adding like double loops and stuff. That's what I need to get in the mindset of how can I fix this without just band-aiding it. Hello, 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 hello. Are we supposed to herd the snow dogs into the pen with uh l l layero? Yeah, yeah, that actually is the point. You could probably do -4 and 4, to be honest. It's funny because I almost put -3 and like 3, -3 and 3, so it's funny that you said -4. See, and then I need to make it so that they'll bounce off the walls of this. Congratulations on 695 subscribers, LayaKat. Wait, really? Wait, hold up. Hold up. Do we really have that many? Oh, hello everybody. Thank you for subscribing. It's funny, I tried to take a picture last night of the 690 subscribers, but when I went to do it, somebody else subscribed. I was like, oh my god. I was like, I missed my opportunity when I got to the 69 subscribers, and I missed my opportunity. Actually, I didn't miss my opportunity when I got to the 69 subscribers. When I got to the 69 subscribers, somebody unsubscribed right when I went to take the picture. So then I had to wait, and then when I went to take it, it was already at 70. Have a separate if statement before the distance, to Leia 1. Oh, okay. Before. No. If they're in the pen, if touching sprite 2, I'm gonna do the in the pin. No, I'm gonna do the pin bounce one first. Then I'll do the in the pin one. Independent. Try put 500 degrees on it. You want me to? I'll do it for 1 second. I will put 500. I will put negative 500 and 500 for you. But you might be horrified by the results. They're struggling. I can't watch them. I gotta fix them. I can't watch this. It's sad. There they are. That's how the snoodles should move. Well, actually, this program seems quite helpful. Can the code be extracted? It can, and I'm pretty sure. Let me check. I believe it's Java, actually. I believe that it's Java backline. What code is Scratch based on? Java, yeah. So it's actually Java based. Try putting 10K in both. I'm not going to. I think that would break it. I'm gonna go for now. Have fun again. Leia, you and your Nikkei stream later? Yes, I'm very excited for Nikkei. I'm so excited for Nikkei. I love Nikkei. I'm obsessed with it. I was thinking about it earlier. Okay. If touching sprite 1. Okay. Let's try this. Let me go in the corner so that... How do I get them to stop doing... They look like they like speed away, but I guess that's fine. Do you see that one jumped over it? Do you see that one jumped over it? Yeah, they're jumping over it. Oh well, it doesn't matter that much. They are ending up in the corner though. Get out of the corner, guys. That's what the layer door is for. Do you see this one in the corner? Try negative 10 and 15. Oh my god, you're trying to destroy my precious babies. Wait, go back into it. What's wrong? Go back into the pen, please. Okay. Leia. What? Oh wait, I see what you're saying. Sorry. I didn't realize what you were saying. Sorry, it took me a second. It took me a second to process what you're saying. What are you doing? My best. I'm trying to code. No need to point towards sprite 2 either. I can change that. The only reason why I did that was because I thought it would improve the bounce. But that probably is causing more issues. It probably doesn't work the same way as it did with my Leia Doro. Can you guys go inside? Yeah. What are you coding though? So I'm just trying to learn coding in general. So I'm trying to see if I can just learn, and that's really it. I'm just trying to code a mini game with my snoodles in it. This one I'm trying to get them to go into the pen. And then once they're in the pen, they'll be trapped. But I haven't programmed that yet. I'll do that now. If if touching sprite 2. Also, there's an if edge then bounce command. I have that on. It's right here. It's set in it. I think I might need to add it to the clones though. I think I might need to add it to the clones. I don't need to do all that. It's just a permanent thing. Have it on the clone, not there. That's what I was thinking. I wasn't sure if it like applied stuff to the clone as if it. Also have it in the forever loop. Hey Leia, welcome back to my OF stream. No, it's not. What do you mean? Oh, thank you for the hydrate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, that's so much better. She's probably gonna make her own game in the future. So I will say playing the Mad Father game did kind of make me interested. Yes. Perish. Perish. If touching, then I want their motion to change how it works. So I want them to forever. I want them to forever be stuck in this. Glide to random position between no, just want the okay. I want it to be between 268 any random. Pick a number between negative 268 and negative 140 for the X. And for the Y, it's gonna be between 33 and 33 to negative 139. Okay. So, let me... Okay, let's try this. Look at the way they bounce. Idiots. Okay. Go in the pin. Yeah, go in the pin, losers. And now I can start adding scores. Go in the pin, losers. Come on. There's 50 right now. I'm also going to make the little shadow so that it's not like that. I'm going to fix the shadow so that's not overlapping on top of other snoodles. That will be fixed in post. Everyone help LayaKat hit 700 subscribers. I mean, we're pretty close. We're pretty close, surprisingly. It will come eventually. It'll come eventually, unless I do something really controversial. I don't know. Maybe I'd get more. Have the shadow opaque. Oh, that's a good one. That's good. Ah, that was smart. That was smart. See, now I can get my snoodles in the... Yeah, that's a little buggy. How long have you been learning? I've done one other time, but not long. So many. There's 50. There's 50. There's 50. There are 50 of these. But see, once I get in there, I can shove them over the wall if I'm really feeling spicy. Look. I think I can get them all in. 50 might be too many, though. 50 might be too many. That's cheating, too? Okay. Now give a Doro sword and kill them all. The Doro factory. We almost got them all. All the noodles are almost in here. All the snoodles. Last one, last one, last one. Okay. Try to put more than 50. Put 75. That sounds terrible. Also, Leia, in my opinion, you should decrease the glide time to maybe 1. You think so? You think they should change directions more often? They look peaceful in there, though. But I can if you think they look too peaceful. Give me a second. I got you. Go in there. I can just drag them in there. This is cheating. Now this is cheating. Yeah, they look frantic in there. Doro hungers for blood? Oh no. Try putting 50. Try put more than 50, put 75. I could put 1,000. I could put 1,000. I'm not going to. I think I can put this for it. And then I can make this a slider so we can look. I can increase the slider. I can do the same for the movement speed for them. Ah, yes. The perfect snoodle right here. Peak snoodle performance. Do you want it impossible to smush snoodles through the fence? I'm not too concerned, actually, but I kind of want to make it so that the snoodles don't do this. This is more disturbing to me than shoving them through the fence. I was expecting Python. I know a little bit of Python, but I don't know the fundamentals of coding. I think this helps learning the fundamentals. Is this a horror game? It is now. I know an easy way to make it so it'll fix the process. How do I do it? How do I fix this? I find your lack of snoodles disturbing. Look at all my snoodles just going about their day, living their lives. Oh, one already found its way in there. I wonder how long it would take for all 10 of them to find their way in there on their own. Let's see. Can all 10 of them find their way in there on their own? I just like my little character in the corner just going with the tongue. Every time the snoodles go up there like, no. Change the if touching sprite to else statement. Add the entire closed Leia statement into the if Wait. Change the if touching sprite to an else statement. Okay. If touching sprite glide over here. Like that? Did I do that correctly? And add move 3 after rotate 180. No. Oh god. Okay, what did I do wrong? Where did I go wrong? Change the if touching sprite 1, not sprite 2. Oh, I see. I see where I went wrong. If and then add move 3 after 180. Move 3. Okay. Let's try this. Let's see. Is my snoodles going to be fixed? You spin my head right round, round, round when you go down, down. Sprite 1, not sprite 2. Okay, I did do it. Alright. Look at them. They are glitching much less, I will say. They are glitching much less. Only super rotate if you push against the fence now. Yes, they are doing much better. Who is Sprite Tour 2? Is it Doro? No, this is Sprite 2. Sprite 2 is this grass block here that you can't really see. Sprite 1 is this. Then I have my shadow, and then I have me, and then I have my snoodles. Ah, this is nice. I love my little snoodles. Can you... I just grabbed it. I was like, okay, you're freaking me out, buddy. You're freaking me out. Thank you for the hydrate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. They can also collide with you. No, they're designed so that when I go near them, they run away. See? Here, let me add in a bunch more, then you'll be able to see for realsies. See, they part like the ocean. They do not... They avoid the Dorolea. Dorolea is meant to be avoided by Snoodles, apparently. See, I'm toxic. Leia is toxic. Just make the grass block the same color as the background, not opaque. The reason why I didn't is the background is gradient. So I didn't want to change that because I like the gradient. So I just made it opaque because it wouldn't match. It's gradient, gradient, gradient. I'm so excited for my trip this weekend. I'm so excited to visit my family. I'm so excited to eat food that they don't have where I currently live. Oh, I'm so eepy though. So, you guys wanna hear something funny? My cat, look, I'm crushing them. I'm crushing this coding thing. I'm crushing this coding thing. My cat decided to climb in bed with me last night. For some reason, she's decided recently that her favorite thing to do is just to melt at my side. Like, stretch out like how dogs usually do, like the splooting. And literally just stretched out. It was so funny because I was like, is this the right cat? I was like, is this the other cat? This cat never does this. This cat never does this. Okay. I think this is where we might call it for today because... So what is the problem right now? It's just me jamming them between there. I think this might be where we call it for today, just because I do have to pack for my trip and we are going to play Nikkei tonight. I have to pack and get stuff ready for my trip. Because I heard you mention this. I can think of another little fix, to be honest. Oh, I'm down to fix one more thing. Because I do want to continue this. I just also, like, I want to be sure I have everything set up for my trip. Because I'm really bad about forgetting stuff. You could play the cat event for Nikkei. The cat event? There's a cat event? You see the one you're not smushing that's super rotating? Yeah, this one right here. This one right here. Oh, did you see that? It's like, oh, I'm ready. Put me in, coach. Was that the one you were talking about? The one I picked up? Cat event Nikkei's good. Is it? Is it fun? Is it not gonna break my heart and soul? Like everything else in Nikkei does? Oh my god, I can't believe Exia last night. Oh my god. I'm so upset still. I'm so upset. Bruh. Suyin the bitch. Suyin can get stepped on like a bug. You could probably be fixed by adding the same command of the if touching one sprite that you have in the distance to Leia. The distance to Leia. This one? Or the... which one? Yes, it was that one. Oh, sweet. I think it's the first time that I've grabbed the first one. Like, the correct one the first time. You could probably... about sprite 1. And... could probably fix by adding the same command in the if statement. In the if touching sprite 1 statement. Oh, wait. Not like that. Like that? I had it that way before. I had it that way earlier, and you told me that the pointing wasn't necessary, the pointing towards. I will say I did have it like that earlier. I've done a lot of things wrong. Yes, it was then. I've done a lot of things wrong, but I'm proud when I am right about the coding stuff. Okay. Professional. You see me smush all of them into it. Now it's like, this is, it fixes the issue. Well, because I was like, I think doing the point towards thing makes it so that it has like a point of reference for the 180, because otherwise it's just trying to turn 180. If it's touching it, then it just keeps trying to turn 180 on top of it. So that's why I thought that's why I initially did it, because I was like, if it tries to turn 180 on top of it, then it's just going to be stuck in place. But if it references where it's supposed to turn 180 from... Could you make a if sprite get stuck? I probably could, but I'm not too concerned, because they're not really getting stuck on their own. The only way to get stuck is if I do like this. I'm this poor snoodle in the corner, stuck in the corner with my Doro. Look at it. Look at that poor snoodle getting eaten. Leia lick attacking the snoodle. I am. Make them pass you in cases like that. Ooh, that might be smart. Like I said, though, this is something we're probably going to do more of later, because I do want to learn about coding. I do just want to learn about coding, and I think it would be fun to make a Snoodle-based game. I am obsessed with Snoodles. Like a ghost, you know? Yeah, so they don't really have collision per se. I think the next time we do this, though, we'll probably do it in Game Maker or something. We'll probably do it with the actual game engine, even if it is still the visual coding, because I still don't know coding. But next time we do this, we probably will use the actual game making engine, like one for a game specifically, not just for teaching. Because I think that'd be fun. I think that would be fun to do. Because, like, if that might be one of those things I said, like, there's going to be some streams where it's like I'm streaming stuff I normally wouldn't stream. So, like, that might be one of those streams where it's like I'm not as chatty just because I'm also thinking and processing. Kind of like today, where I just had moments where I was like, give me a second, I gotta process. I did a class about programming on IT. I've taken one Python class, but that's about it. 3D Snoodle? It probably wouldn't be 3D. It would probably be pixel art. But the thing about, like, this program versus, like, Game Maker is, like, Game Maker, I could, like, it's a lot different. It's a lot more organized. Because this one, like, you see, I have to put, like, all the codes on these ones. I can't have, like, the code in a separate file and just look at it. It's a little bit wonky, but make a game and call it Snoodle, and make a game series, call it Snoodle 2. Then make a next one a 3D game and call it Snoodle 3D. I'm gonna do the next Pal World, and it's gonna be all just Snoodles. It's gonna all be Snoodles. It's all Snoodles now, losers. Okay. So I think this is what we're gonna call it for today, just so I can go pack for my trip, because my trip is rapidly approaching. I'm trying not to let it sneak up on me like I normally do. I always let my trips sneak up on me. You can make a farm game. Did you try RPG Maker? You can make a farm game. RPG Maker seems fun. I did say that, but I do want to learn something that's a bit more, I don't want to say customizable, because that is highly customizable. There's just more limits on RPG Maker, style-wise, I should say, versus doing Game Maker. Even if I did a game that looked like it was made in RPG Maker and Game Maker, if that makes sense. But yeah, I think this is what we're going to call it for today. But we will be back tonight. And we will also be doing one more stream tomorrow before I leave on vacation. And then I've said this before in my stream when I'm gone, I am going to rebroadcast stuff while I'm gone. I've been saying that a lot. So it's going to be stuff that isn't on my YouTube channel yet. But after Saturday for the next week, any streams will be rebroadcast. They will not be live unless I specifically say, hey guys, I have a moment. Wait, how long? It's gonna be about a week. The spooky story stream is the day after I come back. So that spooky story stream I have is going to be the first stream we do after I get back. So if you need like a point of reference for when, I'll be lonely. It's okay. You'll have the pre-recorded Leia here. Pre-recorded Leia is going to treat you great, I'm sure. I'm sure pre-recorded Leia will be perfectly fine and well behaved, if I know my pre-recorded Leia correctly. It's funny because I'm trying to find if I have some really old VODs. Where are you going, Leia? I'm going up north to visit family. I know that's terrible since it's so cold, but I've decided to go north to visit my family. I wish they didn't live up north, but it's okay. It happens. Could you check the Naya Paradise event theme? It helps to sleep. I can check that for you. But for now, we are going to call it. But remind me when we play Nikke tonight. I will check the Naya Paradise event. Ooh, cold. Yeah, I'm not. I'm terrible with the cold. I'm terrible with the cold. But yeah, let's go ahead and call it here. And I'll go do my packing and my cleaning because I want it. Whenever I go on a trip, I don't know if you have cats, but whenever I go on a trip, I completely dump their litter boxes and put all new fresh litter in it before I leave and like scrub it out. So that's one of the things I want to go do today. Good luck, Leia. Thank you. I'm used to it. I wish I was still used to it. Checked after screen, you want the theme as a mood. I will. I'll do it when I'm cleaning the litter boxes. The Naya Naya Paradise while cleaning the litter boxes. Okay. Let me go ahead and say goodbye to everyone. Good night. Or good morning. Whatever time zone you live in. I hope you have a wonderful, 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 wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you all next time, which is later tonight. Until then, stay wonderful. Have a good trip. I will. I'm not leaving till Saturday, but I just like to mention what we're doing while we're gone so everyone's in the loop. Okay, goodbye everybody. Goodbye YouTube. You guys always get ended last.